You never know when you might have a little trouble stitching out some stitches. If you've got fabric that's a little uneven, like a corduroy or something, when you stitch out a decorative stitch, if it doesn't kind of come back and make that pattern perfect, number one, make sure you're using stabilizer. But number two, this machine has a balance feature that you can get to. Now, it's actually on the underneath side of this machine. So I'm actually going to show you the manual picture of it here. So you flip the machine over and there is a dial with a plus and a minus. So here's what we're talking about. So let's say you stitch this little dog and it kind of comes out where his legs look a little crossed up front. So what you do is you adjust based on what it says. Honestly, one way is going to make it worse and the other way is going to make it better. But it says turn to the plus or turn to the minus depending on what you see. And then it will fix the dog or fix the pattern that you're trying to stitch that doesn't look right. Here's another example when it comes to lettering. So if you're stitching the lettering and it doesn't want to connect, or it over connects past where it should, the adjustment plus or minus will bring those letters to touch at the right place. Just remember to put it back to normal when you get back to normal fabrics, but I do like the fact that I can actually change or adjust that if necessary without having to take it into a service center. But I didn't know it was underneath, so I'm going to just point it out to you. It's there if you need it, and that would be how you can balance out some of those awesome decorative stitches for any reason they're not coming out to your liking.